Alright, so time to learn another very important and very useful quick analysis formula in Microsoft Excel, and that is COUNTIF. So basically in COUNTIF, we will give a range to my Excel and we will ask Excel to count that only if that meets a specific criteria. What does that mean? Let me show you. So here is a range of product brands. So I'm asking Excel to go into the product brand range. And in this range, what I need to do is that I need Excel to count for me only if the brand name is best choice. And if I can close the inverted commas here, it is important that you use the inverted commas if you are writing something, and then press Ctrl Enter, and you can see that Excel has counted for me that the brands with the name best choice in this specific columns are only 16. So if I can go up there and if I can count that, let me show you. So here you can see on my screen that the selected cells, as I already have sorted the data in the terms of brands, the brand wise, all the best choices were available on the top, and you can see the count was 16, and that is exactly what we have achieved using this COUNTIF function. And now what we need to do is that we need to apply that to all the brands mentioned below. So rather than hard coding the best choice, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make it a reference, and for that we don't even need this inverted commas here. So I will simply refer to the brand name where it is mentioned, and I will press enter now. And before I copy paste this to the cells below, let me lock the cells with the range, and now let me copy paste this to all the cells below with the names, and here you go. Now you have the total the count available for all the brands available in the top row. So you can see that for each brand how many transactions have taken place. And if I can count all of them, you can see, if I can just show you, you can see that the total of the records is 200, and that is exactly what here is. 201 rows, basically the one row is for headings, so we have 200 rows here, and you can see that Excel has actually counted, the COUNTIF has actually counted that there are 200 rows, and they are broken down by this kind of distribution among the brands. Now let us take this COUNTIF to one step ahead, and what we are going to do is that we are going to count this retail price column here, but based on a specific criteria. We only need to count the retail prices available here where the price is higher than 2. Okay, so let's do it. I would say COUNTIF range should be this one, the retail prices, and if I can go down now, I'll press comma here, and then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to give the criteria, and the criteria has to be in inverted commas in this formula. So I would say this should be greater than 2, and then close the inverted commas and Control Enter. And you can see that Excel is telling me that the records that are available where the prices are greater than 2, they are 107. Well, we can trust Excel now, but what if we like to show you? Let me apply the filter, and let me say number filters greater than 2, and I would say okay. And if I can count here, and you can see the records are 107. So you could do that simply using this Microsoft Excel COUNTIF function.